Good morning, Blue Jackets. Welcome to a fantastic Friday. Welcome to the first virtual assembly of the 21-22 school year. It is Homecoming Friday, and my name is Mr. Zebarth, and I will be taking care of today's virtual assembly. Welcome to Friday, Homecoming 2021. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance, Blue Jackets. Please stand as you are able. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for being patriotic. You may be seated. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the weather forecast for today. The weather forecast today is going to be kind of partly cloudy, a chance of rain, and a high temperature of about 74 degrees. Not a bad day. Let's hope the rain holds off so we don't have any rain for our homecoming football game tonight. What's for lunch today? Always an important question. People want to know what is for lunch. So for lunch today, we are going to have crispy chicken on a bun, fresh vegetables, seasonal fruit, and your choice of white or chocolate milk. Sounds like a yummy lunch. Congratulations this week to our students of the week. These students are third graders from Mrs. Soikinen's class at Isani Intermediate School. So congratulations this week to Lily M., Avery K., and Brody B. So Lily, Avery, and Brody, congratulations. You are our students of the week. We are very proud of you. And our staff people of the week, kind of keeping along with our third grade Isani Intermediate School theme, we have Mrs. Becker, Mrs. Shute, and Mr. Seibel. Congratulations and thank you for all that you do for us here at Isani Intermediate and School for All Seasons. We appreciate each of you. Birthdays today. Happy birthday. It looks like there's nobody that has a birthday today, but we have a lot of birthdays that are going to be celebrated this weekend. So on Saturday, October 2nd, Abigail A. is going to have a birthday. And then on Sunday, October 3rd, which is Marathon Sunday, the Minneapolis Twin Cities Marathon happens, is Gabriella C., Parker S., Carter S., and Brooklyn S. All have birthdays. Happy birthday to each of you. We hope you have a great birthday this weekend. And now we are going to do some duck races. Cheer on your classroom's duck, and let's see who has the fastest duck at IIS and School for All Seasons. Today is Fan Friday. It is great to see so many of you sporting your Blue Jacket gear. Our school colors are royal blue, white, and black. We are so excited to have you dress and show off your Blue Jacket gear. And normally, Blue Jackets, we would have a visit from our Cambridge Isani High School homecoming royal court, as well as the pep band and the cheerleaders. And we are lucky enough today to have a virtual visit from CIHS. So let's turn it over to Cambridge Isani High School for this year's virtual Pep Fest.
Thank you for having me here tonight. It is an honor to be your MC for the evening. My name is Logan Johnson, and it's just an honor to be here with all of you. First off, I would like to welcome you all to the Cambridge Isani 2021 Homecoming Coronation. We have an exciting evening ahead of us, so sit back and enjoy some entertainment as well as watching the crowning of the 2021 Homecoming King and Queen. I'd like you to please welcome this year's royalty, Francie Plemon, parents Naomi and Jim, and Cooper Lossie, parents Michelle and Casey. Francie wants to become a nurse at Boston Children's Hospital. She's a fake blonde, Her favorite food is mac and cheese or chicken fajitas. Francie lives on a lake, and one of her favorite hobbies is shopping.
Hi guys, I'm Francie Fleming. I'm a senior at Cambridge Assembly High School. I'm on the homecoming royalty. I want to give my shout outs to Mr. and Mrs. Karowski, Ella Davis, and Thomas Iserman. Go Big Blue!
Cooper also wants to become a nurse one day. He enjoys watching sunsets and going on long car rides. His favorite season is winter. One time, Cooper went to Jamaica and gained 15 pounds in 5 days.
Hello, I am Cooper Lossie. I am a senior at Cambridge Isani High School, and I'd like to give my shout outs to Henry, Axel, and Levi, my boys at the middle school. And I'd also like to give my shout outs to my teachers, to Mrs. Karowski, Mrs. Hanson, and Mrs. Anderson. I miss you, Mrs. Anderson. And yeah, that's all. Go Big Blue!
Chloe Nelson, parents Shay Lee and Sean, and Cyrus Matson, parents Heidi and Chuck. Chloe's favorite food is pot stickers. Her dream job is to be a nurse practitioner. If Chloe could live anywhere in the world, it would be New Zealand. She loves being around kids, and her favorite subject in school is algebra.
Hi guys, I'm Chloe Nelson. I'm on the homecoming royalty, and I'd like to give a shout out to my niece Jenna Bobian and my nephews Thomas Bobian and Odin Bechtel. Thank you.
Cyrus loves hanging out with his family. He loves playing football. Cyrus's favorite food is chicken alfredo. One day, he would like to own a real estate business and travel around the world.
Hey everybody, my name is Cyrus Matson. I'm here on the homecoming royalty. I'm also one of the senior football captains, and I'd like to give a shout out to my cousins Wyatt and Cullen. And yeah, I hope to see you there on Friday. Go Big Blue!
Casey Catton, parents Katie and Steve, and Reed Stevens, parents Carrie and Sean. Casey likes to water ski. Her favorite food is chicken wild rice soup. She wants to travel to Greece. And Casey has a cat named Brad. She wants to also be a math teacher.
Hi, I'm Casey Catton. I'm part of the homecoming royalty. I want to give a shout out to Conrad Vavra, Elena Bellows, and Mr. Greenfield.
Reed has a 6-year-old golden retriever named Rex. He enjoys cooking and baking. He is involved in many school activities. Some of them include tennis, Mali UN, and student council. His favorite band is Coldplay. One time at an audition for a musical, Reed accidentally pants himself in front of the whole cast and directors.
Hello, my name is Reed Stevens, and I am your 2021 Blue Jacket Homecoming King. I'd like to give a special thank you to my family and also my teachers. I couldn't be here without you. I hope to see all of you at the dance this Friday and out supporting our Blue Jacket athletes. Thank you once again, and go Big Blue!
Emma Bellows, parents Stacy and Matt, and Chase Imker, parents Sue and Chuck. Emma's favorite color is pink. Her favorite restaurant is Chipotle. She is on the swimming team. Emma plays guitar. She wants to study broadcasting and journalism.
Hi, my name's Emma. I'm a senior at Cambridge Isani High School this year, and I'm on homecoming royalty. I would like to give a shout out to the Cambridge Middle School swim team, my sister Elena, and my 5th grade teacher, Mr. Greenfield, and Mr. Broughton. Go Big Blue!
Chase plays the banjo. He is a dad joke enthusiast. His dream job is to be a high school principal, and Chase owns more than 50 pairs of fun socks. His favorite place in the world is a small town in Wyoming called Newcastle.
My name is Chase Imker. I would like to shout out Hunter Jacobson and the rest of the middle school cross country teams, as well as my cousin Connor Imker and Mrs. Kennedy at IMS.
Jenna Hari, parents Dana and Derek, and Max Sickler, parents Gretchen and Ben. Jenna loves chocolate milk. Her dream is to become TikTok famous, and she loves playing hockey and soccer. Jenna likes watching Hannah Montana. She also wants to have a pet monkey.
Hi, I'm Jenna Hari, part of the homecoming royalty. I want to give a huge shout out to my mom, Miss Dana Hari, Jaden Hari, Kira Peterson, and the rest of my family. Go Big Blue!
Max's favorite fruit is watermelon. He has a dog named Dari that he loves. His favorite thing to do is play baseball with the boys. Max's fantasy football team is not doing great this year. His record is 2-0.
Hi everybody, my name is Max Sickler. I'd like to give a shout out to my mom, Mrs. Sickler, and my 5th grade teacher, Mrs. Anderson. See you at the game on Friday.
Natalie Randall, parents Melissa and Brad, and Braden Jones, parents Julie and John. In 3rd grade, Natalie was one of the homecoming pages, so welcome back. Natalie has a twin brother, and she has played guitar for almost 10 years. Her dream job is to be a member of Congress or a lawyer. Natalie's favorite trip she has been on was to Washington, D.C., or Turks or Caicos. Her favorite food is chocolate chip cookies.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie Randall and I'm this year's 2021 Homecoming Queen. I just want to give a big thank you to everybody for all the love and support. I would like to give a shout out to Evie Porta, Melissa Randall, and Jamie Sullivan. Thank you all so much.
Braden is a 3-sport athlete. He's in football, basketball, and baseball. He loves to spend time with his friends and family. Something he enjoys is hunting and fishing. Braden loves Chipotle. He also is decent at beanbags.
I'm Braden Jones. I'm a homecoming royalty. I'm a football captain, and I'd like to give a shout out to Mason Jones, Tanner Jones, and Maddie Jones, and also Mr. Lem and Mr. Graysick down at IMS. See you at the game on Friday.
All right, now it is time. I hope you enjoyed that Pep Fest. Now it is time for our Blue Jacket Pride Friday drawing. If your name is called, please report to the office. We have a prize for you, and we will be taking your picture. Our third grade Blue Jacket Pride winners are Peyton C., Keegan C., George B., and Caleb S. Peyton, Keegan, George, and Caleb. Congratulations, third graders. Our fourth grade Blue Jacket Pride winners are Taylor B., Alexandra B., Dominic M., and Jaden L. So Taylor, Alexandra, Dominic, and Jaden. Congratulations. Our fifth grade Blue Jacket Pride winners, Haley S., Peyton F., Layton, and Raymond B. Please report to the office after announcements and our virtual assembly to claim your prize and have your picture taken. Haley, Peyton, Layton, and Raymond. Congratulations, fifth graders. Blue Jacket Pride winners, again, a reminder, please come to the main office after announcements to collect your prize and get your photograph taken. And our prize today is a fidget cube. And with that, have a great day and go Big Blue.